Say God sufficeth all things, above all things. God sufficeth, and nothing in the heavens or in the earth but God sufficeth. Verily, He is in Himself the knower, the sustainer, the all